Okay, this is room 4025. When you first enter, you have a nice little living room area. Go all the way to the side, you have your refrigerator, and then also your spirits section. You have a little coffee machine. And one thing I like so far about the refrigerator is they have Pepsi products. Yes. So there is a sliding glass door right here. You can go on the balcony, which I'll show you on the other side. I believe this is a pull-out couch, but we will not be using the pull-out couch. Okay, there's a lock over here. Okay, well, that's one way to open it up. And this is our view. I love it. So you come back inside. Now to go to the bedroom. This is your bedroom. You have another balcony. This is your closet. You have your robes, your safe, and you have your separate shower, garden tub. There's your sink, and then you have your water hole, which you know what that is. So overall, I'm really thinking that we are going to love this area. I love that it is a suite style. So you have your living area and then also your sleeping area, and it is separated. So this is it. This is the tour of the RIU Palace in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.